VP Group is a world-class, innovative, international agribusiness that enhances lives and creates wealth within the communities it operates in. VP Group comprises of 4 separate divisions specializing in fresh vegetable and fruit production, floriculture production, air freight logistics, and sustainable energy generation. It was founded in Kenya in 1979 and has since grown into a pan-African organization that works closely with the local communities. Vegpro Kenya Limited maintains high standards throughout the entire production process by strictly following international production guidelines. Adhering to them meticulously, it can guarantee its customers high-quality produce at all times. All production is carefully controlled from propagation to planting to crop management and harvesting. By monitoring temperatures at all stages of production, as well as all cool chain requirements through the use of temperature control facilities and insulated vehicles, Vegpro Kenya Limited can ensure that the produce is kept fresh at all times. Cleanliness and hygiene is taken very seriously, not only during all levels of production, but across the entire organization, with all personnel having to follow strict hygiene procedures when on site to avoid any contamination of products. In addition to being specialists in vegetable and fruit production, VP Group is a world-renowned flower producer. With Kongoni River Farm, the group has developed a fully integrated model consisting of breeding, rose propagation, cut flower production, logistics and marketing solutions. By combining this technology with skilled personnel, Kongoni River Farm has managed to create a delicate balance between automated processes and human touch, which is still very much a key factor in fresh produce production. Highly skilled personnel oversee the production process from propagation to germination to harvesting and packaging. Timing is key. And from the moment the flowers are harvested, they are quickly rushed to a cold storage pack house where they are processed for shipping in a controlled temperature environment. Kongoni River Farm offers a wide range of roses spanning many different colors, as well as its own unique breeds that are developed on site. The floricultural industry is highly competitive, so to remain relevant to its customers, innovation is very important. To help manage the movement of fresh produce, VP Group established Freight Wings. Last year alone, Freight Wings handled 28,000 tons of fresh produce, and this figure is only expected to grow. Managing the movement of high volumes of perishable produce is a daunting task for any organization. That is why VP Group has a dedicated logistics department specializing in the movement of such products. To this end, it has recently opened a multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art perishables handling facility within the freight area of Nairobi's International Airport. By having a globally accredited, dedicated logistics department, VP Group can effectively control quality of its produce not just on the farm, pack house, or processing plants, but all the way through to shipping of the produce to the consumer. To ensure that safety, security, and quality standards are maintained at all times before export, the produce is thoroughly inspected and processed. It is passed through scanners following security inspection procedures approved by international and local certification bodies, including the airlines themselves. Tropical Power has always focused on sustaining, nurturing, and enhancing the environment it operates in. Today, more than ever, the need to conserve and sustain energy usage globally is paramount irrespective of the sector one operates in. Through various initiatives, from reforestation, wetland conservation, to integrated pest management programs, and community schemes that teach conservation methods. Innovation is a key pillar of VP Group's operations. By far, The group's biggest initiative in this respect has been the commissioning in Kenya by Tropical Power of what is currently the largest biogas generating plant in Africa. The plant will run on vegetable waste produced from the group's own operations, and at full capacity, the plant will generate 2 megawatts of power to be consumed on site, while the remaining is fed back into the grid for use by the local communities. Sustainability is also a key pillar of VP Group's operations. VP Group has committed to reducing, recycling, and reusing the water used for its growing operations. To that end, VP Group has established fully integrated wetland technology at each of its flower farms. These systems treat the wastewater from the greenhouses, grading halls, canteens, and washing facilities. VP Group is truly a global leader in its field, as evidenced by the numerous international awards we have received from our clients and partners alike. VP Group is a world-class company with a long, distinguished reputation that can be relied upon to consistently meet your required performance standards.